Hello everyone, this is Lillian from Cuisines and Wellness. I'll be showing you how to make this refreshing summer Jamaican pineapple ginger juice. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Our ingredients are ginger, pineapple, and honey. This recipe requires only 3 simple ingredients. To be honest, you can make it under 30 minutes. Keep watching and I'll show you how. Now let's start by prepping the ginger. Most people use spoon to peel their ginger, but I prefer using my kitchen knife for this process because it's easier for me. Peel off the skin of the fresh ginger and wash it thoroughly afterwards. Chop the washed ginger into smaller pieces, as you can see me doing here. If this might be difficult for you, you can as well crush it. This process is necessary for adequate extraction of the juice from the ginger. Studies have shown that there is a 63% reduction of pain in osteoarthritis patients when taking a daily dose of ginger. Ginger regulates sugar levels, provides relief from menstrual cramps, aids digestion, and cures diarrhea. It also helps to detox the body, which is generally beneficial during cold and flu season because it helps get rid of toxins. In addition, it is a great immune booster. On medium heat, place a small pot and pour a cup of water into it. Add the chopped ginger to it and allow to boil for 5 minutes so that the ginger can be more effective. You will know your ginger is ready when the color turns brown. If you've watched up to this point, please click the like button because it helps our channel grow. Thank you. If you're looking to lose weight, follow the link in the description box below to join our free WhatsApp weight loss group. You are most welcomed. When the ginger is ready, sieve out the juice into a cup and allow it to cool for a while. I'll be setting it aside while I prepare the pineapple. I already peeled off the skin of my pineapple. I'll be chopping the fruity part of it into smaller cubes, as you can see me doing here. Shout out to my Jamaican friend Christina who hooked me up with this recipe and I absolutely love it. After chopping, get a clean blender. Place the pineapple into it and blend smoothly. Pineapple contains bromelain, which has anti-inflammatory properties and speeds up healing. It also contains vitamin C, which supports your immune system, bone strength, healthy digestion, and fertility. It helps in prevention of cancers because it has loads of antioxidants, which can help combat the formation of free radicals. Foods which are high in fiber, like pineapple, has been associated with low risk of bowel cancer, that is, cancer in the large intestine, rectum, and so on. After blending, mix it with the initially extracted ginger juice. Using your tablespoon, stir properly. We upload new videos every week. Consider subscribing to our channel for more content if you haven't already, and turn on your post notification bell just beside the subscribe button so you'll be the first to know whenever we post a new video. After stirring, you'll get a really creamy mixture. You can go ahead and add your sweetener to it at this point, but as for me, I'm going to be straining mine to extract my juice. To do this, get a clean bowl, place your sieve on it and pour in the pulp. Allow to strain, but it is faster if you use a spoon to support this process, as you are seeing me doing here. Add water to the pulp to extract more juice from it as you strain if you have to. You can extract a pretty large quantity of juice by just doing this. Add water to the pulp, strain, add and strain, add and strain. Just like that. This juice is so delicious and refreshing. I could literally picture myself in my sunglasses at the beach on a cool summer evening, sipping on it. This is what it looks like after straining for the first time. However, I want a clearer juice, therefore I'll be straining for a second time into my jug to remove the leftover residues of the pulp. There are several reasons why naturally made pineapple juice is better than store-bought ones which contains additives. And some of the disadvantages of these additives are that they can trigger allergic reactions such as migraines, rashes, and so on. They can also destroy the nutrients in the pineapple juice. For example, sulfur dioxide destroys vitamin B. Sweeteners such as saccharin can leave bitter aftertaste. Saccharin in this case has been substituted with honey, which is healthier and contains loads of nutritional benefits. Now this is the result I was going for. When it's done, sweeten with honey. I will be adding a tablespoon of honey to it. I love to feel the ginger kick. You can increase your honey quantity as you deem fit. Stir thoroughly to ensure all our 3 ingredients are nicely mixed together. Voila! This is what the end product looks like. You can decide to refrigerate it or not. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and let me know in the comment section below if you would like to try out this recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.